All right, which one we go first? All right, negative first. Yep. Yep. Take the positive. It's gonna be a little different because I got teeth on this one. But you're fine. You hear it already lighting up? Yeah. So now, all batteries should be above a 13 or more. What's she at? At a what? I know.
Oh, it's 12. Okay,
So what? But it need to be what? 13, showing that way a pot charge. All right, so now we grab these. Keep them separated, always. And then same thing, rule applies. What goes first? Negative goes first. Put up. Put up to that. Yep, that. Reclamp it on that down again. Yeah, there you go. Hey, it feels weird on that. All right, so now, usually give it a few minutes, but I'm gonna send charge from this card to this card box.
Ask her, how do you send charge?
How do you send charge?
From this car to that car, how do you send charge?
How do you go in the
How do you go?
How do you go in the car? What do you
Oh,
put?
it press on the gas.
Oh, okay.
And now you're sitting in charge, y'all. What did you just shoot up to? You see what it just shot up to?
Yeah, it's up to 13.
Yep. You see how I just shot up to a 13 just like that?
And it's at 13.
Because you're sitting the charge to it. There you go. All right, so now jump in my car and crank it up. Try to crank it up. Still nothing? Ooh, you got hope ain't nothing wrong.